The news in detail. The candidate of Voice of the People Party, Edison Kharumnot, today skipped the first common platform organised by the Dorbar Shnong of Mawlai Syllaikariah for the 6 candidates contesting from Mawlai constituency in the upcoming KHADC polls. The Mawlai town Dorbar had earlier proposed to organise common platforms to limit public meetings during election campaign, considering the ongoing preparations of students for the board examinations. All 5 candidates contesting from Mawlai, sitting MDC Tay Borlang Patau, ex-MLA PT Saukme and Say Borlang L Nonglat, Daniela Nonglat and Wanseng D Jirwa participated in the common platform. Earlier, the VPP candidate Edison Kharumnot had welcomed the proposal to hold the common platform but had expressed that he might not be able to attend all the common platform events.
Dia mengiyo hill state nakaliang ke sarkar kam simra penduk ya ke council mentajungi hari ke debate no ya ke united kasih jantia autonomous council sekilai tri ke council
si pak juga mulai constituency habangan ong mata kidon ni parti yang hikmat kidu tia papi sau kemenang nu menang besakun
aku bakal nong put subat ngaku apa pintap put yang dah kajing dah kajing isi kalu no ngong deng lau donut bakal mau lunai
ya kita basnong manu panuat mankular bakal district council kan ay tulap lembade ka sorkar Delhi bala man ay ka district council jongi man let tang man siya ka tulap yaki nong trail jong ru kampala
bon ba ki mat po khendong ite nang kani ka ri ba jongi ka ba ble la ker ku ker pang ngi re am jing kwa lolot am jing transpa ki kwa bat pelut na ka ba ble la ker ku ngi.